Look at me. Do you see this? I was just finishing my run right here on my own porch when that thing went off. A whole gallon of yellow paint everywhere. My face, my hoodie, my porch, my hair. I have the video running right now and you are gonna pay for this. That, right there on the sidewalk. See the splash? That's where your little paint bomb landed. Blue.
I'm calling the HOA! This is unacceptable!
You opened my package on my lawn.
It exploded on me!
Yep, it was non-toxic pet-safe paint. Felt notice on the box.
This is still, I mean, look at me!
You might want to rinse before it dries.
Turn off your stupid traps!
Stop stealing packages and I will.
You think this is funny? Huh? Look what you did to me! I'm coming back. Whoa! Ah! Ow! Oh. Man, shut up! This ain't over. I swear.
Huh? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
All right over there?
Nope, I'm out. Okay. Got it. Oh, Porch Fairy blessed me today. Oh, come on!
Leave the parcel, you dirty animal.
Excuse
Now, this just in, police officers in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, were asking people to be on the lookout for a man who robbed a store. And I think we do have his description. Can we take that? Let's take his description. Okay, this is the guy they wanted people in Pennsylvania to be out on the lookout for. He's got a nose and some hair that goes like that, and he was wearing a hat at the time of this particular crime. He's got kind of a chin that comes down to almost a point. Stands about 5 feet 4 inches tall. There it is. Get a good look for yourself. Oh, and now I'm getting word that police actually caught this guy, thanks to the sketch, no doubt. So here's a picture of the real guy thanks to the sketch that led to his arrest. It's uncanny, Lisa. The guy on the left is now charged with 2 counts of theft. He's being held in the Lancaster jail. And I say give that sketch artist a raise.
This wouldn't be so funny, except it's a real sketch.
That was actually the sketch that the police sent out to the good folks in Lancaster. And, hey, to their credit,
police released this sketch of a robbery suspect earlier today.
Witnesses say he fled on foot and was last seen downtown.
Authorities were asking for the public's help identifying him.
We just got one.
And he has been caught.
We're gonna need him.
We are searching for a suspect involved in peeping inside women's restrooms.
have released a sketch of a suspect in last night's jewel heist.
Investigators say this drawing came from a customer who witnessed the robbery.
And here is the man taken into custody this afternoon.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God.
Looking for a man who fled after a robbery.
His photo fit has just been released. We have been informed that the police have detained the suspect.
He really does look very...
And today released several sketches of the suspect.
Any quantity of any product that can be used to build an explosive device is always a concern, and you don't need a lot of ammonium nitrate to build an explosive device.
Everybody wants me to be what they want me to be, but I can't be nobody else but me. Yeah, I'm sick and tired of trying to please everyone else. I'm gonna take me some time to steal away, please myself. I'm gonna walk away and won't look back if anybody asks where I'm at. Waste some time to leave my troubles behind. Rest my mind. If I don't get away, I'm gonna lose my mind. Price is too high, my money is low. My friend who asked me for a loan ain't my friend no more. Yeah. What's this and worrying about? Things you can't do nothing about. Be happy, go lucky, time will work it out. I'm gonna lock my doors and close my blinds. In my window, I'm gonna leave a sign and waste some time. Won't fish mine. If I don't get away, I'm gonna lose my mind. Hey, hey, my. Sing a happy song. I'm gonna lock my doors and close my blinds. In my window, I'm gonna leave a sign and waste some time. Leave my troubles behind. Rest my mind. Go fishing. Don't worry, things are gonna be alright. I said, don't you worry, everything's gonna be alright. Don't worry, everything's gonna be alright. I laugh away, tomorrow is another day. Sing every song. La, 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 la. La, la, la.
Check it out, buddy. It's okay. It's just tape. It's not real. Oh, you don't like it? All right. Back up we go. You're safe.
Oh my goodness, he's actually writing it. No way. This is the best thing I've ever seen. And he's taking it with him.
Knock on the door, package in my hand. Dog's already plotting like he owns the land. Ring the bell, hear the bark attack. I'm sprinting to the truck, never looking back. Dogs and delivery drivers, it's a showdown every day. One's guarding the porch, the other's running away. Neighbors laughing, filming on their phones. Comedy battle in suburban zones. Amazon box, UPS van. Dog don't care, he's got a master plan. Chasing down FedEx like it's a sport. Drivers yelling, I just dropped off your shorts. Dog's not mean, he just loves the chase. Drivers sweating, picking up the pace. It's the funniest view you'll ever see. Porch Wars brought to you by K9 Comedy. Dogs in delivery drivers, it's a showdown every day. One's guarding the porch, the other's running away. Neighbors laughing, filming on their phones. Comedy battle in suburban zones. So if you order online, just beware. Your dog's got beef with the guy out there. Dogs and delivery drivers, round after round. The funniest rivalry in the whole town. Sneaking up the driveway, hoodie on tight, thinking you're slick in the middle of the night. Grab that box, but you didn't see. The cameras rolling, was about to see. Porch pirate, instant karma, oh what a show. Trip on the stairs, package explodes. Neighbors laughing, viral online. Stealing ain't sweet when karma's on time.
You arrest them, right? You're arresting them, right?
So why did you pick up someone else's package?
Well, I mean, it was,
Did it belong to you?
well,
You thought it was sneakers, maybe a phone, but it's cat litter, heavy as stone. Dog comes barking, you drop the loot. Now you're sprinting home with one lost boot. Doorbell rings, but it's not for you. It's the cops with the footage too. You wanted a prize, but you gotta fall. Instant karma, just porch pirate. Instant karma, what a show. everybody knows I'm never the candles, I'm never the dose. Porch by instinct, commas,
How exactly did I grab the box and it just exploded all over
So you
my
took a
car?
package that wasn't yours?
I mean, no, I didn't.
Sir, you just admitted to stealing a package.
Wait, no, what the f***? What? Ah, you gotta be kidding me! Where do you buy these paints from? They smell so bad! I'm about to throw up! Was the ladder really worth it? Oh, wait!
Leave the ladder.
thinking? Oops. Oh. How could you do something so dumb? Trip on the curb, spilling all your rum. Slide on the floor like you lost your shoes. Funny fair lamp, yeah, we make the news. You try to backflip, landed on your head. Thought you were smooth, but you slipped instead. Microwave metal, sparks in the air. Whole crowd laughing, but you don't care. Skateboard tricks with no balance at all. Camera caught you crashing straight into the wall. How could you be wild, but it's all good fun. Funny trap anthem, yeah, the vibe gon' run. How could you do something so dumb? Trip on the curb, spilling all your own. Slide on the floor like you lost your shoes. Funny fair lamp, yeah, we make the news. You tried to cook noodles with no water inside. Burnt the whole pot, now you running too high. Jumped in the pool with your phone in your hand. Now you TikTok famous, everybody understand. Laugh through the pain, it's a comedy show. Every dumb move make the views explode. How could you be clumsy, but it's all a vibe. Funny trap anthem, keep the joy alive. Why be fed? Why be fair lamp, yeah, we laugh all night. What was you thinking? Oops. Oh. How could you do something so dumb?
What happened here? Who spilled all this flour?
담배 한 갑 주세요.
Oh, excuse me, ma'am. Did you drop this? I almost stepped on it.
Oh, shoot, sorry.
Wait, what is that? Can I see?
What's see through?
I mean, oh, shoot. Uh-oh. Did you drop this, sir?
No, that ain't mine.
Whoa.
Let's split that. We're going about our business.
Did you drop this? It was right there. Oh.
No, I didn't.
Uh-oh, sir. Did you drop this? It was right there. What is it?
A notebook.
Can I see?
No.
Uh-oh. You dropped this?
No, I don't think so.
Are you sure? It was right in back of you.
Yeah, no, I don't know.
Oh.
Honey.
Oh, shit.
Oh my god, did he grab it? Did he grab it? No way. No way he grabbed it. No way. No way. Hi, excuse me, sir. Did you see something fall on the ground?
No. I ain't see that.
You didn't see anything?
I ain't see that.
Are you sure? Alright, have a good day, man. What? Wait, is this yours?
No, it's not.
You're just giving it to me?
Yes. I dropped it, I think.
Why were you so honest?
I don't know.
We're filming a TikTok. It's a social experiment. Why were you so honest?
You dropped it. I'm not going to take your money.
Did you see me drop it?
No. I figured it was you. You're right behind me.
Well, since you were so honest, here you go.
Did you drop this? Damn.
My husband swept his ass. Thank you, baby.
Can I? Whoa, that's a lot of money. For being a good Samaritan, can I at least get $100?
Well, this is, yeah, I give you, but I'm gonna tell my mama what happened to it.
You dropped this?
Oh, yeah, thank you. Oh, no. My son dropped, my grandson, he dropped it.
How much is that? Can I get $100? Excuse me, you dropped this?
Oh, yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Your money? How much is it? Damn. At least I was honest.
Thank you.
I was honest. Can I get like $1?
Yo, can I hold $1 to get Doritos in the store?
$1?
Yeah, it's $1.
Fuck it, I got it.
Good looking, bro.
Yo, that is 10K. That's crazy, yo. Nah. What you mean, bro? Chill, bro. It's 10K, bro. What you?
What up, you guys? We about to do the fake lottery ticket prank on my friend. Watch this.
Say, baby, what you doing, man? Hey, I got some scratch offs for you, man. That's for you to keep.
It's 10,000 off.
Man, 10,000 just for you. Hey, baby, what's going on, bro? 10,000. Let me see. Well, you ain't gotta sleep on the air mattress no more. Let me see. Oh, we won. Let's go. Come on. Yeah, my dog won, man. Oh, let's slow down, man. He won 10,000.
Scan it, baby. Yeah.
What's wrong?
Good.
$10,000.
$10,000.
Yeah, you just won 10,000. All right, so where the money?
What they talking about?
It's fake.
Yo, that's my phone. That's my phone. That's my phone. I just dropped it. What are you gonna do? Sarah, I just dropped the phone.
No, it ain't your phone.
How is it not my phone, Sarah? I just dropped it 2 seconds ago. What you gonna do?
Fuck you about this phone, man. You know where you at?
Where I'm at?
You in the hood, man.
So what?
What you mean, so what?
I'm a black person.
You want me to call the dogs out on you?
Dogs? What?
Yeah.
Is it my, you're not gonna, you like that? You like that?
That's my phone. Why'd you take my phone for? That's my phone. Why did you take it?
I thought that was my people's phone.
You always thought it was someone else's phone?
My friend lost a phone like that. I was wondering if that was his phone.
Does your friend phone shocks like that?
Nah, hell no, I don't know what that was.
You don't take people's phones, brother. Alright.
Hey, baby, bro. Drop your phone, man.
Oh, thanks, man. It's really nice of you.
You ain't police or nothing, are you, man?
What?
You ain't police or nothing, are you?
Why would I be police?
Fuck the police.
Hey, because the nigga lost there.
Hey.
I don't give a fuck.
You got a warrant for your arrest.
I know.
Huh?
If they tell me, they don't tell you. They look like police, they get you.
10-4, we have him.
I don't give a fuck. I'm already in trouble because I'm black. That's why you get a lawyer for $25.
This man saw the bike unattended and tried to steal it. As he rode down the hill, his hopes rose, but the bike was tied up with a wire. So he flew off and hit the ground. Look at him. He has no idea what happened. Do you think he learned anything?
Someone's looking at me. Oh, I
I got myself a free beach cruiser today. Looking, yes, come on. Say, oh, I think he's drunk. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck.
Consider coming in, never slow none. Run, run. Run, run. Don't run to hide. Run, run. If you want to survive. Run, run. Run, run. No jail, so yeah. Run, run. You better run, run. Run, run. From the trouble you near. Run, run. From the life you fear. Run, run. From the streets that trap. Run, run. Don't fall into that. Run, run. They watching your steps. Run, run. Don't gamble your breath. Run, run. You smarter than this. Run, run. Chase the life from this. Run, run. Run, run. Run, run. Run, run. Run, run. Run, run. Run from the pain in your past. Run, run towards something that lasts. Run, run from the voices that lie. Run, run toward the man you be inside. Run, run. This ain't just a chase. Run, run. Run. Since your versus fate. Run, run. Choose the better route. Run, run. Build the life you dream about. Run, run. Don't let the streets claim you. Run, run. Don't let the past chain you. Run, run. You got more to do. Run, run. The future's waiting on you.
Here comes the mom.
Oh my god. No, don't bother me. We are friends. No, we are friends. We love each other.
She's chasing you!
Oh god, look at your face.
It's okay. It's just tape. It's not real.
Cute.